I promised you a chair workout. So here it goes. 5 exercises, 15 reps of each exercise. Let's start with exercise number 1. Fast leg on your chair. 15 reps. Heart rate's already up. Exercise number 2, tricep dips on the chair. 15 reps. Whew, nice. We're already to exercise number 3. Back to legs, up and over. 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew. We're on exercise number 4. We're only at a minute 30 of this workout. Back to arms. Push-ups. Now you can do this 2 ways. 1, you can do your push-ups at an incline. If you're a little more fit, then you can do your push-ups at a decline, which is what I'm going to do. Feet on the bench, push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew. Amazing. That was exercise number 4. We're going to go to exercise number 5. It's just going to be our abs. Sit on the bench. Sit on the chair. Lean back. Legs up. Pull your knees in. You can hold on to the back of the chair if you want to work it a little bit more. Your balance, keep your arms out to the side. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. 1 time through. That took us 2 minutes and 55 seconds. So here you go. I am going to go through these exercises with you. One more time. You can hear my heart rate's up, but then I'm going to repeat this sequence 4 more times, so a total of 5 times. This is what you can do depending on how much time you have, depending on your fitness level. You can do it 1 time through, 2 times through, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. But I guarantee if you just stop, you have a chair, if you just stop and take 3 minutes of your day to do this 1 time through, these 5 exercises. First, what do we do first? Crap. Fast leg. 2nd, tricep dips. 3rd, up and over. 4th, push-ups. And 5th, crunches on the chair. You take yourself through that 1 time, 15 reps. You're going to begin building a cumulative fitness program. And all it takes is 3 minutes of your day. So, here's a question. Would you be willing to commit to doing this chair workout 3 times this week, at least once? I mean, it's your health, it's your fitness, it's your life. All you gotta do is commit. See you later.